Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. India has just done the unthinkable, defied Donald Trump's red line and openly importing Russian oil, challenging the US sanctions head-on with over 3 million barrels of crude already delivered. India's bold stand could reshape geopolitics as America fumes and Russia warns of nuclear consequences. BRICS nations China, Brazil and India are uniting against Western pressure. In this explosive episode, we break down how India calculated its economic losses, why it chose Moscow over Washington, and what it means for the future of the US dollar. Will Trump strike back with full force? Can India survive global sanctions? And is this the beginning of the end of American dominance? Join us as we uncover the real oil war, hidden power game, and the global shift that is already begun. This is just the beginning. Subscribe to Global Academy News for the full story. Donald Trump has just faced the one thing he never expected: a full-blown rebellion from India. The red line has been crossed, and it wasn't China this time. It is Modi. Massive Russian oil tankers have docked at Indian ports, delivering over 3 million barrels of crude. Indian refineries, both public and private, are processing it without hesitation. Reliance Industries, Bharat Petroleum, and others have openly ignored Trump's threats. Message: India doesn't bow anymore. India did the math. Abandoning Russian oil means a $14 billion loss. But if Trump opposes sanctions, that would cost India only 9 billion to 10 billion. Simple economic: stick with Russia and save $5 billion. Strategic logic: stay loyal to your military equipment supplier. Over 70% of India's military gear, from boots to helmet, aircraft to missiles, is Russian made. If Russia stops supplying, India's defense grinds to a halt. No S-400, no spare parts, and no upgrade. Modi knows it, Trump knows it, and the world knows it. Now India has made its move. Trump's global order is crumbling. China already buys Russian oil. Brazil joined, and now India. The BRICS giants, three BRICS giants, stand firm. Trump powerless, or worse, enraged. He threatened sanctions. Russia answered with something colder: nuclear warning. Moscow publicly declared that US cities are target locked. If attacked, retaliation will be automatic. Even if Russian leadership is wiped out, this is not politics anymore. It's survival. China is quietly cheering India on, not to see it punished, but to pull it closer. The united front of Russia, India, China and Brazil could end US dollar dominance overnight. 60% of world's population walking away from the dollar. That's game over for American supremacy. India's gambling is massive, but it might pay off. Trump now has to act or lose global respect. If he backs off, he is weak. If he punishes India, he risks pushing them deeper into Russia and China embrace. Either way, America loses ground. Behind closed doors, Chinese and Russian media are celebrating India's stand. Delhi defies Washington. The headlines scream. India has become the front line of a new global war, not of bullets, but of oil, economy, and power.